you all to the Super Memory for Schools program. I am Miss Nauptui. I am so glad to see you again in Grade 7 Physics. And today we are going to learn Lesson 7, that is convex mirrors. In today's lesson, you are going to figure out the following points. First, the characteristics of images formed by a convex mirror. Second, the visible spaces of a convex mirror. And third, its usages in daily life. Alright, let's get started. Look at these pictures. As you can see, this convex mirror is usually used for experiments in class, whereas this is the convex mirror that we observe in daily life. So, what characteristics do you find when looking at these mirrors? Yes, their reflecting surface is partly curved outwards, so we call them convex mirrors. So, what are the special features of a convex mirror's image? Let's find out through our first section. 1. The properties of an image created by a convex mirror. I want you to look at these experiments. Experiment number 1, virtual image, properties of convex mirrors demonstration. Here, we have a candle being put in front of a convex mirror. We can see the candle's image through the mirror. Place a screen behind the mirror. Then, the image of the candle is not captured on the screen, so we claim this is a virtual image. From this experiment, we have a conclusion. An image of an object produced by a convex mirror is a virtual image that cannot be captured on the screen. So how is the magnitude of the image through the convex mirror? Let's move on to the next experiment. Here we have a flat and a convex mirror. Now we will place two identical candles in front of the two mirrors. Let's observe the candles' images and see how they are. Alright, when we place a candle in front of two mirrors at the same distance, we can see that the image of a candle through a convex mirror is smaller than that of a candle through a flat mirror. And in the previous lesson, we all knew that the image of an object through a flat mirror has the same size as the object. From this experiment, we have another conclusion. An image of an object formed by convex mirrors is smaller than the original one. Combining two conclusions, we have a lesson. This image of an object formed by convex mirrors is virtual and smaller than the original one. And do you know that in our daily life, people often use convex mirrors to make rear-view mirrors of cars and trucks? So, why do people use convex mirrors? Well, to answer this question, let's go through the next section. The visible spaces of the convex mirrors. Let's look at the picture of the following experiment. We have a flat mirror and a convex mirror on the same size. Then, put some batteries in front of them, observing the image of the batteries through two mirrors. And then, you can see, through the flat one, we can only see the image of a few batteries placed in front of it. How about the convex mirror? Well, we can see the images of almost all the batteries placed in front of it. So, from this experiment, we find out that the convex mirrors provide a wider angle of visual space that flat mirrors do. As a result, we can conclude the following points. The visible space of a convex mirror is wider than that of a flat mirror with the same size and position of eyes. Now, let's turn to the convex mirrors. Applications in life. The next section, uses of convex mirrors. Answer the following questions. Explain why the rearview mirrors of cars and trucks is usually a convex mirror but not a flat one. Look at this picture. People often use a convex mirror. Or in this picture, they combined a flat and a convex mirror to make rearview mirrors. Why? Well, what do you see from the picture? Looking through the flat mirror, we can see only one car from the back. But when we look through the convex mirror, what will you see? Yes, we can see a lot of cars. Why? Since a convex mirror provides a wider angle of visual space, than a flat mirror does. It allows the drivers to see bigger spaces behind. Alright, next usage. Why do people often put a large convex mirror on the winding roads like the mountain passes, streets, and parking lots? Passes. How can these mirrors help passers-by? Let's see. This is a picture of convex mirrors placed at the mountain passes. And this is a convex mirror placed in the winding roads. This is another convex mirror put in the garages. Then why do people use convex mirrors in these cases? Well, you can see that when we are on the winding roadways, such as passes or street corners, we will not be able to see the cars on the opposite side as they are blocked by some obstacles. In this situation, people put convex mirrors in the appropriate positions for what? Yes, to help the drivers observe those hidden corners to avoid traffic accidents, since convex mirrors provide a wider view. In addition to the mentioned applications, you will see that convex mirrors are also placed in stores or supermarkets to help shopkeepers observe different locations. Now, you know that the more convex the mirror is, the wider its visible space is. However, the image in the mirror is usually tiny and deformed. So, I had just introduced to you some applications of convex mirrors in our real life. Now, we are going to review our lesson with this mind map. In Lesson 7, Convex Mirrors, remember, the image of an object formed by convex mirrors is virtual and smaller than the object. The visible space of a convex mirror is wider than that of a flat mirror as the same size and position of eyes. And there are lots of applications of convex mirrors in life. For instance, they are used to be placed on the winding roads or to be rear-view mirrors of cars and trucks. That is the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for paying attention. Wish you guys good results. See you in the next Super Memory for Schools program. Goodbye.